Biography of Shafkat Cheema, the undisputed king of villainy in Pakistan cinema. Lahore showbiz reporter, renowned Pakistani film actor Shafkat Cheema has made an indelible mark on the country's film industry with his powerful performances and unique style. Born on November 20, 1955 in Lahore, Punjab, Pakistan, Shafkat Cheema hails from a deeply religious family. He is a Hafiz-e-Quran, one who has memorized the Holy Quran, and a graduate of Jamia Naimia, Lahore. Shafkat Cheema began his acting career in 1989 with the film Kalka. Since then, he has appeared in more than 265 films across Urdu, Punjabi, and other regional languages. His fame primarily stems from his villainous roles, which he portrays with exceptional realism and charisma. Some of his most acclaimed films include Churiyan Bol, Majajan, Jio, Sar Utha Ke, Parchi, Wrong Number 2, Zarar, and The Legend of Mola Jat. His unforgettable performances as Saka Kanjar in Bol and Jeevanath in The Legend of Mola Jat are still remembered by audiences. Before entering showbiz, Shafkat Cheema was passionate about wrestling and painting, but destiny led him to the silver screen, where he became one of Pakistan's most celebrated film icons. In his personal life, Shafkat Cheema is a devoted family man. He has 6 children, 5 daughters and 1 son. Shahryar Cheema, who has also stepped into the film industry. His brother Nadeem Cheema is a noted film director and producer. In October 2024, rumors circulated that Shafkat Cheema had suffered a stroke and was in a coma. However, his son clarified that the actor was hospitalized due to pneumonia and had since made a full recovery. Apart from acting, Shafkat Cheema is also known for mentoring young actors and sharing his vast industry experience with the next generation. In the Pakistani film world, Shafkat Cheema is often referred to as the king of villains, yet those who know him personally describe him as a humble, kind-hearted and deeply spiritual man. MD Udan News TV, Chaudhry Umar Sarwar, social worker Chaudhry Abdul Majid Hanjra, Chaudhry Ali Hashim appreciated this act. This program sponsored by Shaheen Group of Pakistan. We deals with pure honey, best quality of white honey, fitness tonic, Asil Cooks, Desi Eggs, Asil Jat Kadahi, Asil White Kadahi, Koi Jat Kadahi, and Elevex Beauty Soap, and marriage proposals for all castes. Mobile number 0323478780. You are watching Udan News.